sorry, Princess Twilight. That was meant for her. Incoming! Whoa!
Tula-Rula, coconut cream, what are you doing?
That was meant for my ex-friend. I'm not your ex-friend. You're my ex-friend.
Both of you stop! So you see, friendship isn't always easy, but there's no doubt it's worth fighting for.
Aww.
That sounds familiar. No, Aha, here it is.
What is that?
Come on, Starlight. Don't judge a book by its cover. This is the friendship journal my friends and I used to keep. It's filled with all the things we've learned, like friendship isn't always easy, but there's no doubt it's worth fighting for.
I'll judge a book by its cover just this once.